Gina Dulatre from Amlang, Rosario, La Union, here in the Philippines. I'm 36 years old, high school graduate, and single parent with 4 kids. I have 2 boys and 2 girls. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia since 2015 to 2017. And I have another work experience here in the Philippines since 2020 to 2023 to take care of the baby since birth. My duties are to take care of the children age of 9 months, 3 years old and 7 years old. And another duties are laundry, ironing, dishwashing, cooking, marketing, and car washing. Mom and sir, I will promise I will give a honest, loyal, and respect to your family. Mom and sir, if you heard me, I will treat your family as my family too. Mom and sir, I will follow the regulation and responsibilities. Thank you, Mom and sir.